Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to copy and paste image in Google Sheet. So let's start. The first open your Google Sheet, then copy your image. So I just go to my folder and pictures image, and you can see the dog one image here I'm going to copy. I simply double click on it and here I show you first. Okay, this image I'm going to copy. Okay, so I just close this and simply right click on this image and click on the copy option, and now I go to the my Google Sheet. Then here select the cell and paste here. You can use here the shortcut key Control V, and the second way you can just simply right click on the mouse and click on the paste, and that's it. Here you can see your image is inserted. So this is a way you can copy and paste image in Google Sheet. You can resize here easily, and you can easily move anywhere and set your image in Google Sheet. Okay, so hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.